I want to share a quick tip with you all. Every vehicle I own, whenever I get it, whenever I purchase a vehicle, especially a used vehicle, and I remove the wheels to do any maintenance on it, whether it's a brake job or changing the tire out, I put anti-seize lubricant. I think this stuff is great to have. I got a few tubes of this. I keep it forever, and I put it on all the threads on the wheels. Any event, as it get cold here in Illinois, you want to be able to get those lugs off effortlessly. Don't want the lugs to seize up on these studs. So just want to share that, my quick tip. Okay, when you remove the wheel, you want to turn it towards the passenger side. You want the brake caliper facing us as much as possible. Got a 19 millimeter there and there. I'm gonna take these off. Before we remove them though, we're gonna spray this down with some braking parts cleaner. And then we're gonna try to pry this caliper back with a flathead screwdriver. But I want to show you guys the brakes before we get going. These are the brakes you want to get, guys. These are the OEM brakes. They will last twice as long as most of the aftermarket brakes that you catch at your local auto parts store. Here's the part number. These brakes are incredible. Let me get these out. Let's turn this wheel towards the right. Let's get this caliper off. Set the camera up so you guys can see. Let's remove this. All right, remove them out the box. They come with some brackets. These are the OEM brakes. So there's one metal clip for one side. So this is one set. One of them don't have it. This is the other for the other side, for the passenger side. So no matter what side you put them on, just a set for each side. So they're not all the same. One has this metal piece on it for when the pads get low. And the other one don't. That's when you hear the squealing. When the pads get low, you hear the squealing against the rotor. So we're gonna apply some of this to the back of these pads, and then we're gonna let that sit up, and then we're gonna start removing. Okay guys, while this is drying out, while these are drying, we're gonna remove the brakes. Put the screwdriver in there, guys, to push the caliper in. I'm gonna use one of the old pads. And you're gonna press these in, some brake clamps. I'll lock it in the middle. And let it suck in. I'm gonna push the in flush. So the brakes are going easily. Look at all that, bro. So I'm gonna clean that up. So I'm gonna clean that up. The pad with the metal clip goes in the back, goes in the front. Okay guys, there you have it. Those brakes are gonna last for a very, very long time. And they're gonna stop quietly, they're gonna stop smoothly. You'll feel the difference in the pedal, guys. And I'm gonna do the other side, I'm not gonna film it, just wanna show you guys this. Don't forget to pump the brakes before you start the vehicle. Or if you start the vehicle, pump the brakes immediately before you put the car in gear. Otherwise, it's gonna go to the floor. So I want to share this with you all. Hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel. Lots of more videos coming. With this vehicle, I'm about to install some LED lights. I just did a massive oil pan gasket job. I did a massive motor mount driver side job. If you want to guys check that out on the channel. Very extremely detailed videos. Simple. I make the job simple for the next person. And I've changed the fog lights and the headlights. I have LED for all of them. I'm gonna put some LED in those puddle lights. And once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Terrence and I'm out. I forgot to show. These are the brakes that came off the car. Look at this. Man, I just got this vehicle a month ago. If that. Look at this. How do you just let brakes get this bad? That's why I'm doing everything so I can have my own records of all the maintenance on this vehicle.